When working with phyllo dough, which is a very, very thin dough, it's not worth making it, it's worth buying it. You want to make sure you buy it fresh, not frozen. It's very important that the dough be worked with very quickly and that it be kept moist. Moisten your towel so it's just moist, it's not dripping wet. Place it on your counter. Place a piece of wax paper on top of that and then open up the phyllo dough. There are always 25 sheets in the phyllo dough package. So for this recipe, we're going to cut the dough into thirds, and that will give us 75 pieces of pastry. And you'll see that the dough is rather wrinkly. You want to smooth it out. You'll also notice that the dough is paper thin. You can see through this